Not in the water. I think that is going to be his favourite toy, isn't it?
Like the ducky was
He's going to be.
Jesse's first toy.
You can't keep up with him. Hey, Tamsin? Can't keep up with him.
Really?
Yes,
Ducky was Jesse's first toy and favourite toy, so I think that's going to be...
Oh, Vinny, stand still. Hey?
Video him.
Vinny! That's it. Go for Simon's slippers behind there. You don't know what to do you? There you go, on your bed. Getting a bit dizzy here.